So I received today my first ever order from the Trinket Parlour, and it was their monthly subscription for MDF chipboard pieces. And I just thought I'd quickly pop on and share that all with you. So far I really like the packaging. It came in a nice paper bag, which obviously we can reuse. That was all wrapped in bubble wrap, which was great. And then it comes in this nice box, which you could also decorate. Let's see if I can lift my camera away a bit more. Ooh, still learning where I need to put my camera. It's a much better view for you here, but you get to see the mess on my desk as well. Never mind. So inside, a lovely little thank you sticker on there, and it's in this beautiful cellophane. And again, I'm sure we can find a way to reuse. And it says, thank you, you make me want to be a better person, thank you for everything. Really sweet. Nice bright yellow tissue paper, and the theme of this one was botanicals. We've got some jigsaw pieces. Never done a jigsaw piece, so that's going to be interesting. A nice large butterfly. And then we've got this beautiful little layered piece here. It's going to be fun. Some frames. Let's see if we can pull this one out and have a look. And you could layer that up or use that separately. I love the detail here. Beautiful branch with some flowers, and all these feel really quite sturdy. Isn't that pretty? A very pretty little frame. Another branch with some flowers. I'll come back to those in a minute. And here we've got some individual flowers with some birds and a moon. These ones feel thinner than these, but still really good. And they pop out nice and easily. I'm just trying to be a little bit more careful here because I don't want to break that stem, but they pop out really well. This one looks very delicate, very pretty, and we've got the fence, and we've got some grass, and we've got some more birds and some butterflies, lots of different ones. So we've got some more detailed ones here, and then just the plainer shapes down the bottom. And I love a stencil, so this was a nice find in here because I wasn't expecting this. Again, it feels like a nice sturdy stencil, and I think this one is beautiful. Some nice fairies, one sitting on a toadstool. They'll be quite fun to play with, and they're all packaged really, really well. Botanical garden, which will be the theme of the box. And this one's sweet. Says, flutter like a butterfly, buzz like a bee. Oh, that's a sweet one. Again, it feels quite, you have to be careful, but lovely, lovely and detailed. Lots going on there. And these backgrounds or sturdier pieces that I like to use in backgrounds are always my favourite. And the fact that you have all the pieces that fit inside it is just a bonus. Love it. I'm really excited to play with this piece. I just get boxes and boxes of all these different types of background ones. Let's see, they fit perfectly right in those gaps. Lovely. Really pleased that I decided to give this box a go, and I'm looking forward to seeing what I can make with it, and I'll share that all with you as well. As I said, really a quick one. It was just to show you and have a look at the box, but thank you for taking the time to watch. Bye.